Here's how to use text effects on iPhone iOS 18. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can use text effects on iPhone iOS 18. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to use text effects, you basically need to go to iMessage, because without iMessage, you won't be able to use text effects. It's basically designed for iMessage. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my iMessage. And here I'm just gonna use a random contact right over here just to show you all how you can use text effects. Right over here, what you need to do is basically type something directly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type it real quick. I'm just gonna type in hello, how are you? And just like that, you just basically need to select your text just like that by just simply double tapping on the text that you want to use text effects on, and you'll see these options like cut, copy, replace, autofill. But you just gotta scroll just like this and you'll see an option of text effects. So once you do this, here as you can see, you'll see 4 options on the top, just like making it bold, italic, and making it just like that. You can do all these customizations. So yeah, once you do this, you'll see all these text effects too, just like you can make it bigger, smaller, give it a shake, nod, okay, make it explode, ripple, bloom, jitter, and I've heard that there are more effects coming too. So yeah, you can do that just like that, and you can also do these things with the emojis. So I'm just gonna select some random emojis just like that, and I'm just gonna do the same and go for text effects and shake, give them nod, or maybe even explode just like that. So if I press send, it's just gonna do exactly the same effect, and here as you can see, it did it, and it's just gonna keep on doing that, I guess. Yeah, so yeah, this is exactly it on how you can use text effects on your iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.